Let's take a look at Geographic Analytics inside of the Site and Funnel Analytics. This feature helps you see exactly where your visitors are coming from, down to the state and city level, so you can make smarter, more targeted marketing decisions. In this quick video, we'll go over where to find it, how to use the drill down options, and how you can apply the insights to your campaigns. So imagine you're running ads across multiple different states, say Texas, Florida, and California. With Geographic Analytics, you can instantly see which state or city is driving the most visitors. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel account, you're going to come over to Sites on the bottom left-hand side, and then make your way up to Analytics. From there, we'll be able to see the Analytics dashboard, but if you scroll all the way down, you will find this section over here. This is the Geographic Analytics. You'll be able to see the top visits by country. If you want to change that down to the state, then just come up to the top left corner, and where it says country, toggle it down to state or city. So if we click on state, you'll see the figures on the right-hand side here have been adjusted, but you'll be able to see where all the different traffic is coming from. You can also see the numbers by just hovering over the different regions. You can use these findings to target high engagement areas. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the different areas ranked from top to bottom. And that's how you can use Geographic Analytics inside of HighLevel to instantly visualize where your web traffic is coming from, right down to the city level. It's a fast, data-driven way to refine your marketing, optimize local campaigns, and understand your audience like never before. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below.